How to sync Livpure Smart RO using Wi-Fi to your mobile app? To connect your Livpure Smart RO with app for real-time tracking, download Livpure Smart App from Play Store App Store. Allow the required permissions. Make sure to enable device location. Now, log in with your registered credentials. Select your machine. Switch on your live location and Wi-Fi. Switch off your RO for 2 to 3 minutes and further switch it on. Click on Settings in the top right corner. Select your preferred Wi-Fi to connect with and enter its password. Now configure with Wi-Fi. In 30 seconds to 2 minutes, your device will be connected to the app. Now you can easily track your daily water consumption, recharge, and raise service requests from anywhere. As long as you have switched on your Wi-Fi, your machine will be auto-synced with the app. No need to connect again and again.